Once the shoulder and the side seam of the bodice is complete, it's time to insert the sleeve. First, we'll match the underarm seam of the sleeve, right sides together, and sew. The cap of the sleeve here is a little larger than the armscye or armhole of our garment, so I'm going to stitch 2 parallel lines of stitching between the notches, which will allow me to ease the excess fabric from the sleeve into the armscye. Once the ease stitching is in place, it's time to start pinning. Start by matching the notches and the underarm and side seam. It is standard for the front of the sleeve to be marked by 1 notch and the back by 2 notches, which corresponds with the notches on the armscye. Once all of our pins are in, pull on the bobbin threads from the ease stitching and carefully pull on them until the sleeve cap begins to shrink to fit the armscye. Evenly disperse the tension throughout the sleeve cap so that there are no gathers. Pin the rest of your sleeve in place and then sew using your normal seam allowance. Once the sleeve is in, you can remove the ease stitching and hem the sleeve using your preferred method. And that's how you sew a set-in sleeve.